Okay, so now we've calculated a percentage, but we'd like to display it. Now, sadly, RoboPro won't display a floating point number for whatever reason. If we put in panel display here, and then we actually put in a display element here, and I'm going to call that PB or percent blue. And I'm going to call this one percent blue, like that. Okay, and say OK. On the panel display, now I'm going to select that one and say OK. When I do that, I think you can see here already this has a thick line, this has a thick line, a thin line, and that's incompatible. So when we do that, we get that strange error message and the red arrow there. So here's what we need to do. We have to change it back to an integer. So if we go to our operators and down to floating point to integer, we're going to go ahead and right click and be sure that it sets towards nearest. Okay, and now that should work for us as we execute. So let's just see what happens. Alright, and I'm going to change this so that we get some numbers other, and you'll see that it's rounding up or down according to what the actual number is. So when it's, as it changes here, 42.875 and we see 43. So you can see 37.5, we see 38. That we can at least display that to those percentages.